My daughter loves these finger puppet books. This one is Santa's Big Day, perfect for the holiday season. You just put your finger in the back of it for the puppet. And Santa's Big Day is about Santa getting ready for Christmas Day. It talks about him loading up toys, Mrs. Claus helping him in his outfit, the reindeer. This is a really fun book for the holiday season. It's also a thick board book, so these books don't get damaged easily. The pages are really thick and sturdy. We also love all the bright colors of this book and just how detailed all the pages are. This is so fun for kids. Our daughter is 19 months and she loves these.